Welcome to Klapp Heating Tools Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of soldering machines and accessories. The company was established in 2012 at Pune. We are associated with Deepakshi Display Devices Private Limited. Ethical business practices, highly skilled and diligent workforce are the plus points of our organization. We offer a wide array of soldering guns, stations, and equipments. Our soldering iron tips, bits, and heaters are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. We offer LED strip lights, LCD modules, and ESD products that are cost-effective. ESD floor tiles, vacuum pickup tools, and circuit breakers offered by us are superior in performance. Along with that, we offer protective clothing, smoke absorbers, and sticky mats that are some of our best-selling products. We also provide PCB racks and LED lights for office that are a class apart. To get more information, log on at www.zaphail.com.